How to add page loader on Wix. So the first thing that we want to do is Google search for page loader free front end. This is the website that I suggest using, and we can just load up this website like so. Here we can select one of the loaders, which are usually down the bottom. So let's say we want to do this one, so the loading bar, and here you will see links, demo and code and download. We want to click on demo and code, or demo rather. So here what we can do is we can either get the CSS code or the HTML. Now if we want to get the CMS or the CSS code, we'll just highlight all of it, or actually let's see if it has a, okay, so I guess we will have to copy all of this code manually. So just go to the bottom and then right click copy, and here I have the website editor open, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna search for custom code like you see it right here, and you will see custom code. So we can just open this, and if we have a premium plan on Wix, we can add this page loader right here. Now if we want to get it in HTML format, that is also possible here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the bottom, copy this HTML code, and what we can do here is manually input it on our website. So I'm going to search for HTML, and it will show us embeds. So I'm going to embed HTML here, and I'll just paste the code that we copied. Now if we update it here, it should give us the loading. As you can see right here, it should give us the loader if they tap, and that's how we do it. We can apply this to pages and we can use it that way. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.